and welcome back to another episode on the Crypto DeFi Spot. I'm your host, Jasmine, and here at the Crypto DeFi Spot, we delve into the world of cryptocurrency and all things related to decentralized finance and crypto technology. Today, we're going to talk about something that has been making waves in the DeFi space, DeFi staking. Before we get started, it's important to note that we are not financial advisors and the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It's important to do your own research and make informed decisions before making any financial choices. DeFi staking is a process where you lock up your crypto assets in a smart contract in exchange for rewards. It's a way to earn passive income through cryptocurrency while also helping to secure the network. Staking has been around for a while in the traditional finance world, but DeFi staking is a new and exciting development in the decentralized finance space. So how does DeFi staking work? Well, let's say you're interested in staking a specific cryptocurrency like Ethereum. To participate, you simply need to deposit your Ethereum into a staking pool. This pool then aggregates all the Ethereum from different users and uses it to validate transactions and secure the network. As a reward for your contribution, you'll receive a share of the staking rewards, which is proportional to the amount of Ethereum you've staked. These rewards are typically paid out in the same cryptocurrency that you've staked. In this case, you'd receive more Ethereum. There are several benefits to DeFi staking. Firstly, it's a great way to earn passive income. Unlike traditional investments where you might have to wait years to see a return, DeFi staking rewards are paid out on a regular basis, typically on a monthly or quarterly basis. Another benefit is that DeFi staking is generally considered to be a low-risk investment. Since you're not actively trading your assets, there's less risk of price volatility. This means that DeFi staking is a great option for those who are looking for a more stable investment. DeFi staking is also a way to get involved in the DeFi space without having to actively trade or manage your assets. By staking your assets, you're helping to secure the network and contributing to the overall health of the DeFi ecosystem. As with any investment, there are risks associated with DeFi staking. One risk is the risk of smart contract failure. Since DeFi staking is built on smart contracts, there is a risk that the code could contain bugs or vulnerabilities that could lead to the loss of your assets. Another risk is the risk of centralization. If a small number of staking pools controls the majority of the network, it could lead to centralization and compromise the security of the network. In conclusion, DeFi staking is a great way to earn passive income through cryptocurrency and get involved in the DeFi space. But it's important to be aware of the risks and to do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you learned today, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.